It's Adam Collingwood. Today is the 11th of April 2018. Chart you're looking at is the Dow, Wall Street, and it's a 10-minute chart. What I'm going to do is just go through a few steps on a particular trade as part of this training I'm providing at the moment. It's part of an experiment, so if you haven't yet seen the previous videos, please go back and watch those. What I'm doing is demonstrating how to grow a small account for people that are new to trading into a nice sizable trading account with verifiable evidence all the way through to demonstrate what you can do with trading, especially starting with a small account. So that's what I've done here, just to demonstrate small trades, little and often, and growing that acorn into potentially an oak tree. So this is all verifiable evidence. But what I'm doing along the way is just plotting some of the trades, not every single one, because I'll be doing this every minute of the day. So I'm just picking out certain ones where I see this will be beneficial. So let's go to how I started this off. Okay, so what we're looking at is 1922, so 7:22 p.m. on Wall Street. Now I have just got back from playing snooker tonight. What I like to do is look for an opportunity and place the trade, and then let it manage itself whilst I'm going off doing other things. That's not in every trade. Sometimes I'm at the trading desk and I'm watching exactly what's going on, but I'm not sat at my screen all day long. What I do is I just hop on, see the opportunities, place the trades, and then I'm done. Okay, so I'm not glued to the screen day in, day out, and I've not been able to during this time anyway, because my children have been off for 3 weeks for Easter break. They're only 10 and 11, and my wife has been away for the last 12 days due to my mother being ill. So it's just been me and my children. So again, I think that's important, that you don't have to be glued to your screen. I've been doing lots of stuff during Easter holidays with the children, and still managing to make some very, very profitable trades, small trades in terms of the trade sizes, but nice large amounts of pips that I've been able to bank. Okay, so this particular one, we're getting this is a 10-minute chart. We're getting lots of resistance on the day. What we saw earlier in the day was there was a drop here. I did place a trade earlier in the day and I banked some money there, but we're not going to look at that one. I think that was 100 pips or something on that one earlier in the day. Again, I was out, placed a trade, went out. It's my daughter's birthday actually today. Went out, placed the trade, and then put in a limit order, and that banked the money. Okay, and that's whilst I was at a birthday party. So this one is where I was playing snooker tonight. I needed to just manage the trade. What I was looking at is the Dow was finding resistance. This level here, so this red line, you can see in there, it's 24,310 is that level of resistance. Okay, so it's been testing it. These high test candles here, they're these high wick ones there, those two earlier in the day at tea time, 5 o'clock ish, and then it started to push through, couldn't break through, and then it just got pulled back down again. Okay, so what I was looking at, the price on this particular chart, it was, as I printed it off, it's 722, was 24,293, so that's what the price was, and I knew that I'd be leaving within half an hour to head off to snooker. All right, so I needed to make a decision as to firstly where I would place a stop just in case that there was a rally on DOW. I didn't want to get caught out at all there, so I put a nice big stop in up here at 23,401. You can see there that the highest point at 5 p.m. was around about 24,386, something like that. Okay, so my stop was up there, and I'll show you where I amended that at the exact time, because I've got that in my trading diary. So what you get is verifiable evidence with me, exactly what I did, why I did it, and the proof of when that happened. So the other things as well, what I wanted to do is bank profit at what I consider to be the most viable area. So I didn't want to place it somewhere down here at, say, 24,070 at support 1. I felt comfortable that the price would pull down and test this area of 24,166. So I was looking at that at 722. Okay, so the timings are very important. So I was looking at that at 7:22 p.m. and I'll show you why I put in the stop and the limit order of 24,166, and as I said, the time, it was 24,293 at 7:22. all right, so that's what I was looking at. This is a 1 minute chart again, just to zoom a little bit further in. You can see resistance once, twice, 3 times it's tested this 24,310 level. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 1, 2, 3, and then look at the drop. Look at that candle. That's on a 1 minute time frame. So I like zooming all the way in. You can see those nice red candles, beautiful candles when you're selling, because it's all profit for you there. And so that was that's the 1 minute chart. Let's have a look. That was again at 7:22. The price was at 24,297. Sorry, current level was 24,274, but I opened it at 24,297. Okay, so if we look up here, I was selling around this point here. Okay, so let's go have a look at the stop level. So the stop level that I put in was 24,401 and the limit level 24,166. Okay, so going back to that, stop 23,401, target level 24,166. So I've managed the trade, okay, at that time, because I wanted to know that if the price hit 24,166, I was going to bank the money, but I wasn't going to be in any trouble if it suddenly, some news came out that suddenly caught me off guard. So I'll just manage to trade, protect the downside, and let the upside do what it does best. Okay, so that was at the time, so literally you can see the running profit and loss is very small there. Okay, so what happened? Well, I'd gone off to snooker. Okay, the time now in this chart is 21:45, so 9:45. So I got back from snooker about 9:30. I had a look on here, and what I saw was that the Dow had done exactly what I'd predicted that it would. Okay, so you can see verifiable times. This is the 8:10 candle, so it didn't happen that much after I went off to play snooker. I play in a league. I love snooker very much, played for a long time, and I don't let anything really interfere with doing other things that I enjoy doing. So trading works for me. So 24,166 target hit whilst I was playing snooker. Okay, and it was this candle here at 8:10. And if you look there, that candle, so it went, I'm going to show you on the live chart now as well, it came all the way down, hit my limit order at 24,166 to bank me 131 pips. Okay, and then look at that, it didn't go in really much further down, it started to rally. In fact, the time that I was looking at that is the price went to 24,208, but I took it at 24,166. I wasn't at the screen. I'd automated this trade to bank the money at that point. Okay, it's a 24,166. So let's just go back to that screen. So you can see here this was this 7 o'clock candle on the 10-minute chart. Let's show you. So this is 8:10. So there you go. 8:10 comes all the way down. Look at the price there. So the low it got to was 24,150. Okay, so it dropped all the way, hit my 24,166, had a little bit more momentum, and then it started to go back up. In fact, it went back up to a high of 24,247, and the current price at the moment, which is what, 10 is now just coming up to 10 o'clock. Current price is 24,212. So whilst I was out, I banked it there. All right. Again, you can see more clearly those are those resistance levels I was looking at. This price pushed through, and this one here. See, this was 620 candle hits it again, hits it again, and bang! Look at the fall there. All right. So most important thing here is just knowing where the resistance levels are, and of course support levels, which are good levels if you're selling to take your profit. Okay, so let's have a look at the price there. So here we are, limit order, so 24,297 is what I opened at, and the close was 24,165.7. So there's the profit and loss there of 131.80. There was a couple of little trades earlier. Said I've been out all day. I just made a couple of trades prior to going off to my daughter's birthday party, and those are here. So you can see there's a DAX one there for £2 points. So there was what 56 pips, and that all happened whilst I was playing mini golf today with her and her friends, having a lot of fun, and then I'll just come back and see that that's banked, and then again the Wall Street one banked at 24,215. So 3 little trades there for very little amount of effort and time. Actually, I've done some other videos. I mean, here's this week. This is the 9th, 10th. There's a nice one down here on the 9th, 467 pips. Another one same day, 279 pips. So that's quite a good day, that one. That was it's about 700 odd pips there. Hardly touched it at all yesterday, which is the 10th of April. 97 there. A couple of little small losses just here. Well, actually, that was some interest I had to pay on some stock trades, and then those 3 here. That really probably took me about half an hour's work at the most. Okay, so you can still have a nice profitable day. I mean, this is like a 300 pip day here. These 3, actually no, it's not 300. That's 230. Yeah, almost 300 pips today. So, and that's without really having to do too much at all. If we have a look at my trading diary, so 11th of April today. So what are we looking at here? Yeah, so 7:21. That's when I amended the spread bet ticket. Okay. So my level was 24,297, so I put in a stop of 24,401 and a limit order of 24,166. So I did that at 7:21. Went off to play snooker, and at 20:15, so just less than an hour then, the trade was automatically closed, banking me that 131 pip profit. Okay, 24,166. Okay. And I'll just have a quick look before I go at the price. So yeah, it's 24,212. So there'll be more opportunities again that I'll be looking at. So I hope you found that helpful, and I will speak again very, very soon. Okay, bye for now.